What's special about Rausser College of Natural Resources? I think it's really in the name. Like, we're the College of Natural Resources. We can hear, we can see, we can touch, we can interact with what we're learning. It's not just words on paper, but what we're learning has an impact on us and what we can do in the future.
This sort of confluence of the best and the brightest, and I think it's a pretty amazing place.
I love how small and tight-knit we are.
Rausser College is a place where passions come alive. Rausser College is a place where lots of interesting folks have lots of interesting conversations. Rausser College is a place where people care.
Rausser College sits right at this intersection of the most important problems facing our society.
We all have that same purpose, to make the world a better place and make our environment a healthier one to live in.
I think it's something that the people here feel passionate about, like not just having basic science, but figuring out how that basic science applies to make things better.
Just to see the excitement, the intellectual rigor of people in so many different disciplines, that brings me to work every day.
I love the faculty here because they're like well-renowned, like superstars, especially like research and like science and everything. But I think that they really want to get to know their students.
I love my colleagues, but I love the students even more. We see them like take what we give them and just take off.
Is a really large university, and Rausser College provides a small college feel on that broader campus. Students really get a lot of support through our advising office. They get opportunities to work with our world-renowned faculty through our research opportunities, and both the faculty and staff are really committed to supporting our students through their journey at Berkeley.
Students have the ability to work with their advisors, to get to know their peers, to be in the smaller classes, but then they can access everything that Berkeley has to offer.